Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our ACM demo on how to help with your research for data manipulation for your Computer Science 535 research paper. Knowing that you're learning about data manipulation, you will find ACM extremely useful in your introduction to abstract data structures, analysis, and algorithms. My name is McCuen, Project Manager of Marketing and Communications at ACM, and I'm here today partnering with Morgano, VP of IT Knowledge Management. We're very excited to take you on a short journey within our best-in-class ACM digital database for educational and scientific computing. A little background about the digital library. It's a comprehensive collection of online publications, 60 plus years of archives of over 50 ACM journals, magazines, peer-reviewed articles, as well as ACM conference proceedings and ACM SIG newsletters, which contain over 2 million pages of texts, full-text articles from publications dating back into the 50s. Third-party content, select archives are also available. ACM provides access to more than 1.8 million bibliographic sources and citations from computing books, journals, proceedings, and theses beyond ACM's proprietary literature. You can create your own bookshelf within the library to store, organize, share articles of interest, build annotated and sequenced bibliographies for future reference. So, now without any further ado, let me introduce to you Morgano. Hello everyone. At this time I'm going to ask everyone to turn on their electronic devices. Get your laptops ready to go. We're going to give you a couple challenges along the way here, and we want you to be able to fully participate for all this great ACM swag. Woohoo! And let's check out the database. So from within your UWM website, from the library homepage, let's click on Resources A to Z. As we all get ready, I'm going to go over our agenda today. First, we're going to go and show you how to log into ACM, and we're going to have a search challenge. We're going to give you some highlights of the ACM homepage, and then we're going to do our second search challenge. We're going to talk about CCS, something very special that ACM offers that really can dig in deep for you in your research. Then we're going to go on to SIGs, S-I-G-S, upcoming conferences, and then a final challenge. So let's keep moving. Once you see your resources A to Z, let's go ahead and type in ACM into the text box and click on. It'll bring it up. Click and go. The link to go to this database. We're in. Here's what your home screen looks like. Now, let's go ahead and start our search challenge. I want you to find an article on data manipulation that focuses on extracting high-level information utilizing the W4. Get ready, get set, go! We're going to pause here and we'll come back in just a moment. Alright everybody, well here's our resolution. If you typed in from the basic search engine data manipulation and then use some refining your search options into publications and just pick ACM publications, and then into further refine, pick a fill, you'll see that there's one item in there. And here's the article that we picked as the answer to this challenge. Yep, come on up here. Yep, here's our first winner. Yay, congratulations. Pick out whatever you want. Pajama pants, keychains, pens with the touch screen on the end. That's wonderful. Here's an example of the article. Please notice all of the valuable and meaningful information that this screenshot has to offer. It provides the full name of the article, the credible authors, the publisher, the PDF format, the date, the time, excuse me, not the time, the volume and issue number, as well as the bibliometrics. Let's take a look at the challenge. If you were going to use the advanced search method, some helpful words to search are listed in red. Read through the information and choose the words that are worth searching. Pick out the words that have meaningful uses and search strategies, and your search strategy results can be very efficient. So in this case, we picked data manipulation, high level, W4, maybe even things like mobile computing, contextual information. We're going to take a step back and go to the home screen, so we'd like to point out a few features. The basic search in the top right corner, the advanced search just below the basic search. The Encyclopedia of Computer Science link offers a vast array of terminology within the computer science and technology world. It's sure to be a crowd favorite. Before we go any further, let me tell you about some of the ACM database advantages. ACM is built on an open source technology in collaboration with volunteers from the scientific community and contains many of the most powerful search features available today. Most comprehensive database of author profiles, including detailed bibliometrics of nearly every author in the field. The citation pages are fully exportable into things like EndNote, BibTeX, ACM, ref formats. We have reliable archiving, long-term digital preservation of all ACM-owned publications, and a mind-blowing tool of classification called the ACM Computing Classification System, previously mentioned CCS. And we'll get back into this in a few slides. I wanted to draw a little more attention into refining your search. Once you see search results, whether it's in the basic search or the advanced search, you will see that you have a tool on the far left side to refine your search. And I just want you to take a look at the options, whether it's refining it by people, by publications, by conferences, or by a keyword. This is a great way to, further refine your results. All right, we're ready for search challenge number 2. With this one, we're going to ask you to find an article based on usability inputs in. Get ready, set, go. Now here is our CCS computing classification system. This is a great deep dive into when you know what you're looking for and what topic specific you're in. So in this instance, we picked human-centered computing. Within that section, you have things that are HCI, interactive design, collaborative and social computing, ubiquitous and mobile computing, visualization, and accessibility. So from there, you can keep further digging. Within CCS, it's a deep focus on subject-specific material, and it's available right from the homepage of ACM. A great tool. Here you're going to see our Pearl dive in there. So we went into the CCS tool, human-centered computing. We picked interaction design process and methods, and user-centered design, because that's our area of focus. So article number 7 is our winner. Winner. Here's how we went about it, and I want to show you the results through the CCS tool, and you can see the article itself with its bibliometrics, how it's available, about the author, full text PDF, how many downloads. It's published by ACM and the author, Karine Lelmond, and you can also click on her and learn more about her. On to bibliometrics. Bibliometrics is very powerful to see how often material is downloaded and cited, and it provides credibility to your research. It also provides you with other valuable ideas to further your research. So sometimes when you're stuck and you have one article, if you read who all cited those articles, you can branch off into deeper ideas. It's a great way to, again, build credibility in your own research. Now we're going to move on to SIGs. SIGs are special interest groups, and within this screen you'll find a representation of virtually every major area of computing. ACM special interest groups offer a wealth of conferences, publications, and activities on the local to global scale, providing unlimited opportunities for sharing and technical expertise and first-hand knowledge of the latest development trends. Click on one and then you'll see the wealth of options to further quench your thirst for more. Bibliometrics, award recipients, authors, affiliations, upcoming conferences, and archives are some of the things that are highlighted within the Search SIG Access screen. The last area that we're going to show you is the conference link, and it provides a great look back at last year's conferences, which can help you in your researching, as well as upcoming conference events that are globally marked on the top map for global convenience. You know, do you want to go somewhere? Can you go somewhere? Are you located somewhere and don't know what's in your area? This is just a great tool to also research, to pull up those conference proceedings and do research from there. And then our final challenge. Here's some binary code. Go at it. Walk carefully up to the front to get your swag. First one who figures it out comes on up. And the winner is this gentleman over here. Congratulations. That was really quick. I have to wonder if this saying is something that you guys learn right away, or maybe you have it pinned on your wall. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for participating, and pick out whatever you want. I hope everyone had fun. Computer software engineers really do rock, and enjoy the rest of your day. Before we leave, I'm going to let Trish McCuen come back in and give you the key takeaways. All right, everybody. Well, we hope we offered you some exciting things today. Remember the CCS, the Computer Classification System, to really focus in on subject-specific material, and it's readily available on the ACM homepage. Bibliometrics, the power of seeing how often material was downloaded and cited, adds to your credibility when you're doing your research paper. It provides you with valuable ideas to do further research. SIGs, special interest groups. Dig in here and learn and leverage what you see in your research, or where you want to go, who you want to be like. Research those award winners, the authors, affiliations. Try to get into some of those upcoming conferences, which brings to the last takeaway, the conference link. This tool is invaluable in planning your own learning, as well as leveraging the agendas on a targeted area of your research. Set your bar high, and let's create a paper that's worthy of submission to one of these conferences. That's where you're going to get your recognition in this kind of career. Good luck, everyone, and have a great semester. Well, that's the end of the show. Any questions? Feel free to raise your hand. We got about 5 minutes left that we could take any questions that you want. We'll also stick around until the crowd dissipates and be able to help you through any examples, or we can go online and check some things out. So please stick around and participate. Do we have any questions right now? Okay, come on up here and we'll go through that. Thank you.